everybody. So today we will talk about how HDFC Bank's genius strategy uh, killed Indian banking systems and banking monopolies, and how HDFC Bank changed Indian banking forever. So um, imagine a time when getting bank account meant standing in long queues and filling endless past paperwork and waiting for weeks, and government banks you know ruled rolled India. So actually it happened with me also as well. It was a time when if you are going to open a bank account, so you have to uh, you know um, standing in long queues and filling endless paperwork, which I irritated many so much, and waiting for weeks. So private, and that is called also SBI Bank. I was talking about SBI banks, but the private banks struggle. When private banks struggle to survive. But then in 1994, one bank entered the market. Today, it is India's largest private bank, over 9,000 branches, millions of customers, and a market value. So, before 1990s, most Indians trusted public sector banks, and banking was also very slow, and customer service was also very poor, and loan took a month, and technology was almost non-existent for them. So monopoly belonged um, to public sector banks. Private banking had very little presence also. Then it came Indians economy, and liberalization in 1991. The government allowed new private also bank. Then came HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, and ICICI Bank. So but no one expected HDFC Bank to dominate. And how? So instead of opening 1,000 branches immediately, what they did, HDFC focused hiring best bankers and using technology from day one, building customer trust and offering faster service, so that HDFC invested in systems. So decision became its biggest competitive advantage. Also, when most banks were still using paper records, HDFC invested in core banking like internet banking, ATMs, and mobile banking, digital payments. So customer experience, faster transfer. Also better customer support, and easy account opening, less paperwork. So technology reduced cost while improving customer satisfaction. But most banks focused mainly on businesses, but HDFC saw an opportunity, and it targeted ordinary Indians like product includes salary account and personal loans, home loans, car loans. So instead of depending on a few large customers, HDFC built millions of small customer relationships. So they made bank much faster, and many banks aggressively gave loans. Some later also faced massive bad loans. HDFC followed a different philosophy. It believed growth in useless without quality. The bank carefully evaluate borrowers, मतलब who borrowed money, and as a result, like lower NPH, higher profitability, stronger investors' confidence. The conservative approach helped it survive financial crisis better than many competitors. So for in India, digital India also changed everything when India launched unified payment interface like digital payments, smartphones, Aadhaar enabled banking. So HDFC also adapted very quickly, like open accounts digitally, transfer money instantly, apply for loans online, and you can open a bank account online. So a digital ecosystem attracted millions of younger customer also, like you and me. So in if like the biggest move in banking history in 2023, HDFC Bank merged with Housing Development Finance Corporation. It became one of the biggest banking manager merger in the world, and the benefits included like more customers, large loan portfolio, and cross selling opportunity, and stronger housing finance business. So the merger strengthened HDFC Bank's leadership in India's financial sector. So what key lessons we should learn from HDFC is that the technology also beats tradition. Customer experience creates also loyalty, and control growth is better than reckless expansion, and risk management also matters more than fast profits. Today HDFC Bank is not another bank. It changed how Indians have save, borrow, and invest and pay. So its journey proves that by better execution and smarter technology and relentless customer focus, the next time you use digital banking in India, so it remember one thing, that many of these convenience became mainstream because institution like HDFC Bank pushed the industry towards a faster and more customer centric future. So what your thought in this? Comment your thought below. So then I will come back with another video. Till now, good night, bye bye.